Hey, thank you, Brendan. Yeah, for sure. Look, thank you for joining us here on Canadian Thanksgiving. And that reminds me, please hit that QR code below to start your journey with Day Trade the World. Thanks to our #1 sponsor right there, Day Trade the World. Okay, look, today's first one is going to be PayPal. We talked about this. It's your trade of the day. The reason why we have PayPal, a lot of hate for PayPal. And I give this right back to our viewers because I was sort of uncertain on where we wanted to go with PayPal. But the one thing that we said at 8:30 was, let's wait for some levels to start to develop, right? So we did that on PayPal, and we only have one in, a few outs, but that's kind of why it's your trade of the day. I wanted to give you guys something that, where I'm not going back and forth too much. This is one in and one out. So let's just go over here quickly and just look at this is a 20-minute chart. Pretty big destruction already on PayPal over the last couple of days. So we do know that the fintech not going great here in the market. There's names like Affirm, Upstart, Square, PayPal, right? So then all of a sudden, what was it, a leaked email report came out there that PayPal was looking to throw down a fine of $2,500 for misinformation, whether or not it be to their end user or to the people signing up, for their customers signing up for PayPal. Little unclarity there on what was going on with PayPal, but still, we don't like that talk as end users. So what happens? You guys were like, nah, down with PayPal, down with PayPal. So that's what we did. We found a little 87 level right there, and then there's 86. It goes back here till about September 30th, where we kept on bouncing off 86 and just a couple closes, some wicks lower there as well. But these were levels that I was pretty comfortable with, but we wanted to make sure that that's what the market wanted today. We opened up real early, right? And not early, but at 9:30. Look what the move was. It all of a sudden takes off up to that 87.50 area. So right away, I'm looking at this 87. I'm like, maybe that's a long. We took it out. We wanted to see what happened. But then it just rocketed right back down. And once it came back down, I was confident now to use that 87.50 as our out or as a level that maybe we could play off of on a high because we already put it in. Not huge volume. So here it comes. Breaks the 50 period, breaks VWAP back down. And we wind up getting short about 86.50-ish. We actually missed the move a little bit. We were looking at so many other things. But when it comes in, it breaks, and then the push lower, including, and some of our outs right here at 86. That's where we draw the line. Right at 86, some of the outs there. We're taking that 50 to 60 cents. We're trying to go 1-to-1. Then we let it collapse. 85.50 is our next out. Now we're making $1. So now this makes sense to hold this. So that's what we wind up doing. We wind up holding 20%. Unfortunately, we don't get out at that very bottom of 84, but we do a good job of getting out at 85. Then it takes 80. Then we hold it back all the way back down. We don't get out again, but we put our stop one more time at 85 to get the rest out. So it's just one in, a few outs, off that break, wait for levels to develop. Just like on the long side, right? We have a long here at 84. Let the levels develop and your trades sort of come to you. I was not expecting to have PayPal as your trade of the day. You see the NASDAQ now pulling back down as well. So yeah, PayPal is going to follow this trend, but now we have levels. We have the 87 spot that we want to short, and we have the 84 that we want to go long. So it's your trade of the day because we were patient, we waited for levels, and we hit it and quit it.